Next slide po natin, Mega Person. Ito, 2022 Nissan Kicks. Automatic hatchback, avant number of cylinder po niya 4. Version po niya SR Premium. Odometer po niya 73,089 km. 84 months to pay or 7 years to pay. 106 tax included. Ayan. 106 tax included. And then nakasimitin kad na rin po yung kanyang salamin. Ayan. Ayan. SR model. Nissan Kicks. Check natin. And then, interior po niya rito sa likod is ganito. Ayan, maluwang din yung kanyang trunk. And then, may winter matting. And then, spare tire accessories. Check. And then, see. Ayan, pang 5 person, leather seat. And then, ang aliwalas ng kanyang loob, cream color with combination black color. Then, may sariling charging area sa likod. And then, interior po niya in front is ganito po siya. Yun, naka-winter matting na rin po siya. Ayan. Whoops! Yan. So, ito po yung kanyang susi. Ayan, 2022 Nissan Kicks. And then, sa mismong susi po niya is meron na rin po siyang remote starter. Then, press button start. Oh. Nalobat. Sobrang lamig. Ayan, nalobat siya. And then, dito yung kanyang heated seat. Ayan, magkabilaan. AC. Yun, then, touchscreen din po siya. Ayan. And then, reverse camera niya, yun. Clear na clear po yung kanyang reverse camera. And same time, ayan. Meron po siyang guide. Then, cross control. Lagayan ng greens compartment, 5-seater seat. And then, yung kanyang manual. And then, yung kanyang kilometer, ayan. 73,095. So, ulitin ko lang po, 2022 Nissan Kicks, automatic hatchback, avant number of cylinder po niya 4. Version po niya SR, odometer po niya yun. 73,095 km, 84 months to pay, or 7 years to pay, 106 tax included. First change oil po niya free. Unang salpak din po ng kanyang summer slipper. Yun. Change oil and change tire sa summer tire. Ayan, red color. Ito po siya mga ka-first-son. Ayan. So once again, 2022 Nissan Kicks, 84 months to pay or 7 years to pay, 106 tax included. Pa-PM na lang po ako kung sino may gusto nito and then we'll process. Thank you!